Yo, what is up, guys? Oh, my phone. I'm making this video right now because I tried to do one yesterday, but the mic just like fucked up. It was buzzing like super loud, and it just sucks. Which sucks because that dude's on a unicycle. That dude is on a big ass unicycle. I know how to ride a unicycle. Is he gonna, okay. If he climbs Lookout Mountain on a unicycle, I would be the most impressed person I've ever seen in my life. Anyway, like I was saying, I recorded a video yesterday, like a full video. I actually climbed up here. I did this route yesterday, but the mic was buzzing, and on the way down, I actually got caught in a gnarly, like super gnarly hailstorm, which kind of sucks because that shit would have been entertaining to see me get pelted with hail. And I was gonna throw some clips of it in this video, but last night I went to go put it onto my phone so I could edit a little bit of the clips to have it ready for today, and everything got erased for some reason. I don't know why. That's never happened to me. Like, everything got erased, and then whenever I would try to record a video, or record a clip, I mean, when I would shut the GoPro off and turn it back on again, it would auto erase the clips, and it was really fucking frustrating. It was really annoying. But I'm pretty sure that I have it fixed. For the most part, I think I have it fixed. All I had to do was I launched the GoPro app, and since it erased all my clips, literally I had so many clips from Boulder and skateboarding clips. I had a bunch of clips on this SD card, which really sucks, that just got erased for like no reason. I think it should be fixed, because, God, man, I hope so, because it was so stupid. I don't even know if I'm going to take this all the way up. I might pull off at my normal spot where I usually pull off, but I don't know. But yeah, yesterday I did this, and I got stuck in a hailstorm, and it was amazing. It was funny. And the hail, well, it wasn't funny for me. It sucked. My clothes are still completely soaked. I had to change. I'm in cowboy boots, jeans, and a shirt, or I mean a Nike coat, because my clothes literally still from last night, I left them out, and they are still soaking wet. I'm surprised these gloves aren't just soaked still. Actually, I should turn on my grip heaters. I always forget to do that. But yeah, I decided to do this real fast just to get a video up, because it's been like 5 days. And this road is just too sick not to ride all the time. Like, I love this road. And it's like 5 o'clock on a Tuesday, I think, so there's nobody up here. Yesterday it was kind of, I don't know why it was so packed, but that bike kind of scared the hell out of me. I don't know why it was so packed, but my pull-off's right here. I'll go ahead and pull off right here and just look for a minute. If you're ever around Lookout Mountain, it's a definite, like, ride. Like, you should definitely do it. So this is probably not halfway to the top. Those poles right there to the top, you might be able to see the M up there. I might do the whole thing. I don't know. But yeah, this is like one of my favorite pull-offs to just come and sit, because I mean, it only took me like 4 minutes to get up here. But yeah, there's the mines, softball field, baseball field, football, soccer, their practice field, their real football field, and that big gray building out there is Coors, where Coors Light and shit's made. I don't know what they're doing down there. I'm actually going to cross this fence. I'm going to go across here. See, they're building something down there. I don't know what the hell it is. It kind of looks like a big parking lot.
Well, no fucking shit.
Or maybe a rest area. Maybe it is a rest area. Or a new hiking spot, I don't know. But yeah, I guess we can continue up to the top. Why not? Yeah, let's go to the top. All right, we just left that pull off, and now we're gonna start getting away from looking at like the city and different cities all from up there to now we're doing more of the looking at the back of the mountains, because you can see a bunch of mountains from back here. And actually these turns used to kind of scare me, but these switchbacks are kind of fun to do now. But yeah, so we'll head kind of, I don't know if I want to go all the way to the top. It's kind of a decently long drive. But yeah, there's some of these switchbacks, and man, this is just the mountains over here. I don't go back here all the time. I mean, I've done it a lot in my life, but I usually pull off at that one stop. Oh, this dude's mobbing. Look at this guy. That dude is mobbing. Hopefully there's no cars coming around here as I go around this turn. Ooh, Camaro. Nice Camaro. I think this is the last, one of the last switchbacks. Yeah, see, and now we're just way up here. That's Boulder way out there. I'm gonna have to do that drive someday too. With the mic and moto vlog it. I gotta be careful, man. Coming around these turns, dude, people will take your ass out. I think we're getting ready to be almost to the M. Yeah, there's the M right there. The M, most people know, but if you're not familiar, the M stands for the Colorado School of Mines, which is that school right down there. They have a big, huge, you can hike up to it. They have a big, huge lit up M up there. Oh, look, somebody's paragliding. Right above me. Ooh, damn, he gets really close to the road. I would love to do that one day. That'd be so cool. I don't know if I could ever or would ever want to cycle up here. Like, it's not easy. Like, you climb a lot of elevation really, really quickly. This is one of the main pull-offs right here. There's another one up here that shows some of the mountain. Yeah, way up there. Looks, could somebody get pulled over up there, I wonder? Ooh, people did get pulled over up here. There's like, holy shit! There's like 4 cops right here. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 cops up here. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god. I wonder what happened. That's crazy. Usually you only see cops here at night. Because at night, you can't park here. Like, it's kind of weird. Like, I think an hour after sunset or an hour before sunset, you can't park anywhere. I guess there is a couple more switchbacks up here. I usually forget about them because I don't really come up here. There's another pull-off right here. I might do this pull-off. That's glass. This one doesn't show a lot, huh? This one doesn't show very much. Just seems like you're higher and farther away. That would be cool. I think that's where you can like paraglide. You walk up there. That car's stuck behind that bike down there. That sucks. Yeah, we're almost to the top. The top's right up there, so let's get going. I can definitely tell that the temperature has definitely dropped going from the bottom to up here. When we get near the top, I'll pull out my phone and I can see how much what elevation we're sitting at. hope these roads ain't all snowy. A lot of the snow hasn't melted yet. I wish the camera could do this justice. Yeah, look at that. There's where you can stand, so we're basically at the top right now. Those poles up there, that's where like the parking lot is to pull off. Because I don't know how busy the parking lot's gonna be. Yeah, and then you just come out to this, man. It's beautiful. There's those big poles, and that's one of the decks where you can observe and look around. I'll go park in the parking lot and see what the phone says on elevation, because I actually don't know how high up we are. And here's the top. There's a restaurant, a gift shop, there's a bunch of stuff up here. His grave is up here, Buffalo Bill. You can go see his grave, but I've seen it 100 times. I don't need to see it again. I just kind of want to see what elevation I'm sitting at here. So I just pull over and we're sitting at 7,340 feet. So that's what elevation we're at. That's pretty cool. But yeah, this is what the top lot looks like. I'm not going to go out and walk around because I've seen it 100 times. But I don't know if I'm going to film on the way down because you've just seen me come all the way up. So I doubt I'm going to film on the way down, and I'll start the video back at the bottom of the hill. I went ahead and started up the video again halfway down just because this is the really pretty part. This is the part that like is the best. Just going down and oh my God, he's doing it. Oh my God, he's almost there. That man is gonna ride a unicycle up Lookout Mountain. I cannot believe that. He's gonna do it, yo. Hey, that props to him. I can ride a unicycle, but nothing compared to that. But yeah, I started it up again because this is the really awesome part, is the drive down. It's just so cool looking. Yeah, look at that. I can't look too long because I don't want to have an unexpected turn come up and me go off the side of this cliff. Yeah, this is one of my all-time favorite rides. It's super short. You get to see a lot in a super short amount of time, which just makes it so awesome. I definitely recommend doing this drive if you're ever around Golden or here, you know. Even if you're in like Denver, it's like a 25-minute drive from Denver. It's totally worth it. It's so cool. The temperature is starting to kind of warm back up a little bit. It was quite chilly up there. It was quite chilly. These blind turns are death. I think this guy behind me is a park ranger, and the speed limit's like 25 and I'm doing like 30, 35 and he's still on my ass. We're almost at the bottom now. Yeah, see, we're starting to get back into the neighborhood. There's an undercover cop too up there. Alright, we're at the bottom of the hill now, so I think I'm going to stop this video here. I just thought I'd get a little quick one out since I wasn't able to do, well, since the one yesterday that I did, it was, the clips got lost and the mic was buzzing. I hope that doesn't happen this time. If it does, then you won't see this video, but if it didn't, then you'll see it. So if you enjoyed, please leave a like, please subscribe, please tell your friends. You know, it's a dream. I love doing this. It's so much fun. I hope you guys find it entertaining. If you liked it, please leave it a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.